Today's video is brought to you by TIJN Eyewear. Thank you so much for supporting the channel and sending me these beautiful glasses. During my move, my glasses actually broke, and when I went back to the eye doctor, the prescription was actually wrong. And at the time of me moving, I just did not have the time to go to the eye doctor. So shopping with TIJN was extremely easy. They have such a variety of different eyeglasses, and I'm absolutely in love with these clear lenses. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. And if you would like to get your hands on a pair of new eyeglasses, then they do have a 10% off code for all of my Pressaholic babes. So be sure to check it out. I will leave the code in the description box and here on the screen. And with every purchase, you will also be getting one of their eyeglass holders. This one is so cute, made of really good material. And yeah, so thank you so much TIJN for the discount code and supporting Pressaholic. So babes, it's been almost a week since I've moved, and as you can see, a little different but the same dresser that is here. And today we are going to be kind of prepping my workspace. I haven't done much just because I wanted to film it, and I've kind of been working with a new layout of this room. And on top of that, my apartment was actually bigger than this room, or at least the layout was just better. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video of me just trying to put things where I need them to be and just showing you guys everything that I need to unpack. In the next part of this video, I will be putting up the shelves and really just bringing the room together. I only have one drawer that's filled with my gel polishes, but of course I have my racks that need to go up, so that will be in an upcoming video as well. But thankfully I hired a painter who ended up painting my whole room, and I'm just in love with this color. I will leave the paint color in the description box, but this color is actually the color of Joanna Gaines's home, and I just love her. Even though I'm very much not farmhouse, I really love just bohemian, Scandinavian, modern type home. So that's what I have been working on, getting some stuff and just putting things in place. But I hope that you guys really enjoy this video, and let's get into it. So gang, I am finally back to recording and finally back to trying to get my YouTube life together. So these are just some old clips of how the room was looking. I was really struggling to make do with this space. And then on top of that, my husband had got hurt at work, so he was home for about a month. And guys, I was just struggling between having him home and taking care of him, setting up Jocelyn's room, the move, and setting up my own area has been super time consuming. So I know that this video was made so that you guys can see my space and see basically what I do with my new space and how I'm organizing. But in reality, it's just me trying to just get things out of boxes. I don't think that right now I'm really settled into this space. So as you saw, I had like my gel polish drawer, and I have my packaging drawer, and then just really trying to figure out how I want the desk to be, like what I want to put in the drawers, what I want to have on my desk, etc. But I think what has been really limiting me is the fact that it's just a completely new space and layout. So I have done more than what you are seeing now. I'm sure that a lot of you guys have seen my Instagram post where I did like the wall that's behind me. I did add a sticker that one of my customers had bought for me, and I did end up putting up the shelves. But I actually ordered a new desk that's supposed to be coming hopefully next week or in the next few days, and I swear that I am going to record for you guys and show you how I built the desk and more of a real update on where my life is right now. I have really missed making YouTube videos, and in this time, I think that I just really needed a break. I felt like I was having a lot of creator's block, and once the move actually happened, and like everything kind of just was telling me that I just needed a small break. But in the meantime, I have been working with Prestaholic. I launched the collection with Nail Addict, and I've just kind of been trying to find myself and just create a home. And yeah, that's pretty much what I've been doing. So here are all the clips of just how basically everything was packed and how I'm just trying to really throw things into the drawers. But as I said, I don't feel like this is how I want to utilize my space. I have so much stuff that it's so hard for me to organize. I think that I should have been an organizer because I just have way too much stuff. Also, if you guys have the Alex drawers or know of any containers that I can pick up that might fit the Alex drawer, then please let me know. You can hit me up on Instagram and send me a link, because I think that another problem that I'm having is trying to work with the storage bins instead of trying to figure out where I want things. I hope that that made sense. But basically, this last drawer is just a storage drawer. This is where I usually have like extra gel polishes, extra nail stands. I also have the extra Melody Susie drill and my silicone hands, which I have two of them. And I am really planning to make my channel more into like easy nail art videos. I do get a lot of questions on how I do my nail art, how do you prep, or how can you prep, things like that. So I think that that's what I really want to get more into with these videos. And I also am working on a video on how I got my assistant, and yeah, I'm gonna be dropping a whole bunch of gems in that video actually, because I think that a lot of us need help in our businesses. Sometimes we get super overwhelmed, and there's just certain things that we just don't want to do, and we're willing to pay someone else to do that, but on a budget. So I'm your girl, and I have been taking notes on that video and what I want to do for you guys. So that will be coming very soon. And I'm actually going to try my very best to have that video out this week, but I just didn't want to go another week without really updating you guys and then just kind of popping up again. But that's basically where I am right now. I know that this video was really meant for you guys to just like see how I'm organizing and how awesome it all looks. But honestly, guys, I'm just a mess, and I really wanted to just sit down and talk to you guys about just things that's really been going on, and just the fact that I kind of really needed a break. And aside from all that, I've had so many brands reach out and want to support Prestaholic and want you guys to see their products. So I'm actually super excited to have so many different brands featured on this channel. A lot of organization coming, a lot of new videos, a lot of new content, a lot of new everything. So if that's something that interests you, then please hit subscribe. But this is the Sparkle & Co top coat. Y'all know that that is all that I use, and this is basically how I decided to use the space. I basically have like my essentials on the top. The bottom is more like nail art. My gel polishes is in the third drawer, and then I have a specific packaging drawer, and then I have my storage drawer in the bottom. But I love you guys so much, and don't forget to subscribe. I hope that you guys really enjoyed today's video and just seeing me put my stuff into my drawers. From the last time that I filmed that video, I actually ended up switching out the hardware of these drawers. I had like black hardware, but now I've changed them to these new ones that I bought at Hobby Lobby. So I'm just going to tilt the camera down a little bit just to give you guys a little view of how they are. And these are gel polishes that I wasn't able to fit into the drawers. So eventually I will be putting the shelves up. I hope that you guys have an amazing rest of the week. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a like down below and don't forget to subscribe. I cannot believe that we're almost at 11,000 subscribers. Like, it's literally mind-blowing to me. I love you guys so much, and thank you for all your congratulations on our last video. And then I also want to apologize for just being MIA a little bit. Moving has been extremely stressful, and I know that you guys really enjoy my content and I really enjoy making it. So if you guys have a suggestion for next week's video, then also leave that down in the comments. I love you all, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys.